Hello everyone, welcome back to the session. In the last video, we solved a problem using two of the depreciation methods, that is straight line method and DBM, that is diminishing balance method. Now let us solve the same problem using sum of years digits method. We already extracted the data in the previous video, we have learned. So P is equal to 1 lakh rupees, N is equal to, that is estimated life, salvage value, and then let us solve the same problem using SOYD method. Now SOYD method. T, that is year. Then we will have depreciation charges for tth year, and then we will have book value for tth year, and then we'll have depreciation fund at the end of tth year. Now, so T is equal to 0. Before that, let us write the formula. For depreciation to calculate, we need to calculate the value of SOYD, that is sum of years digits method. Once if we calculate, it is enough for the entire table. So sum of years digits, I will call it as SOYD. Sum of the years it is actually. So it's given by the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. So 8 into n plus 1 is 9 divided by 2 comes to 36. So you calculate this above the table. Next, dt is given by the formula n minus t plus 1 divided by SOYD into p minus s. P is first cost, s is salvage value, life. T is the T value which we have in this column corresponding to this row. SOYD is 36. Just now we calculated. Next comes to BT. I already told you table means no headache at all. Previous book value minus depreciation during that year. And depreciation fund is also depreciation fund of previous year plus depreciation charges for that year, or P minus book value of that year. So let us start 0. T is equal to 0. I told you, no second thought. This is 0 and this is P, which is equal to 1 lakh. Depreciation fund is also 0. Next, let us start with the first year. So N is always 8 minus T is 1 plus 1 divided by 36 into 1 lakh, because P minus 20,000, yes. So this comes to 80,000 into this, always let us take P minus S equals 80,000. 1 lakh minus 20,000. So 8 by 36 into 80,000, we get the value equal to 17,777.78. Book value will be 1 lakh minus 17,777. Once I will write, there onwards it is the same formula. I will not write. So 82,222.23. Next, second year. Second year, it is 8 minus T is equal to 2 now. This is T. This is T. T is equal to 2 now, plus 1 divided by 36 into 80,000. P minus S is 80,000. It comes to 8 minus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 36 into 80,000. 15,555.55. And this would be 82,222.23 minus 15,555.55 comes to 66,666.67. Similarly, t is equal to 3. 8 minus 3. In place of t, let us put 3. 3 plus 1 divided by. So t is equal to 3 now. 8 minus 3 plus 1 divided by 36 into 80,000 comes to 13,333.33. This, when you subtract from this value 66,666.67, we get 53,333.35. Similarly, t is equal to 4. T is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 plus 1 divided by 36 into 80,000. So like that, in place of t, keep changing the value. Whatever t you have, all remaining things become constant. So it comes to 11,101.11. And when you subtract 42,222.22. Similarly, if you do, I don't show the calculation now, t is equal to 5. It is 8,888.88. And then t is equal to 6. 6, 7, 8. 6 is 6,666.67. 4,444.44. And this would be 2,222.22. Corresponding book value would be 33,333.36, 26,666.70, 22,222.26, and then 20,000, almost similar to salvage value. So depreciation fund, I already told you, previous value plus depreciation fund. So this will be 17,777.78. This plus 15,000, 46,666.65. This plus this, 57,777.76. This plus 11,111, 66,666.64. Similarly, you get these values. 66 you get for 5, 17 for 1, 30. Okay, this value would be 33,333.32. This would be 46,666.65. This would be 57,777.76. 66,666.66, 73,333.33, 77,777.74, 79,000, almost 8,000. So you get this like this. Okay. So this is also method. This method is also called accelerated method, because in the beginning you have large amount of depreciation amount being reduced over a period of time and will be minimum at the end. So table form, if you consider only these many formulae, first you calculate how much is SOYD, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. You get one value, it is fixed. Later on it is n minus t plus 1 divided by SOYD into p minus s to get dt. Here all are constant except t. T value corresponding to this you take it. And this as usual same formula, this as usual same formula. So it's once again reducing over a period of time depreciation amount. So that is how you calculate using SOYD method. We will see sinking fund method in the next video. Thank you.